Alrighty, my friends, so it's time for the frozen minions cake. Alrighty, so most of you wanted this, and of course we have another vote-in. So the first option for the next video is the unicorn rolls, and the second option, here we go again, the Haribo Goldburst Memory Lane flavors. So just like the comment of the option you want. And here's the all fancy Coppenrath&Wiese frozen cake. Has a nice artwork. He's already, yeah, he's all in for banana and they're eating banana. Good. Maybe I show you the packaging. Here's the back side. Piñata surprise effect. So apparently the little pearls fall off when you cut it. But yeah, first of all, it's defrosting time. So I just remove this cardboard outside. And yeah, now we have this tight plastic film around and this styropor. Yeah, it's packed very good, very stable. And of course I want to crack it. Okay. And there is, and the cake itself has a little bit the shape of a minion. Here I put it onto the plate. And now I remove the plastic cap. It's a very big plastic cap. Okay. Here we go. And as you can see, there are still eyes on top. And yeah, I let it defrost. Then we cut it. Yeah, they say it's an awesome cut. I love this. This is from the McDonald's Happy Meal. Also this one. Alrighty. So, for me it's some hours, for you it's a second. I forgot to put the microphone on. Oh no. So basically I was it's defrosted now. And I was cutting it. And I just asked myself, where was this Piñata surprise effect? Did not happen. Yeah, I let it now with 50 seconds. 50 seconds missed an audio. Yeah, it happened and then we have to live with it. Okay. I now cut a little bit more. Hey, this Piñata effect is sort of just a gimmick. It's not happening. Yeah. This tastes definitely like banana. I had such a banana ice cream, which you could peel off. Totally tastes like this. I eat now the outside. It's an awesome cake. Yeah. I really like the banana aroma. Yeah. This little things here, chocolate pills, I don't know. This may be a little bit distracting. And I guess I eat this now. The sugar. This feels completely strange. But it's delicious cake with a really nice banana taste in it. There's a bit of chocolate, very creamy. Awesome. Do you want more frozen cakes? Let me know. This is really strange to have this. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah. Yeah, the outside is also a bit elastic. And the banana vibes here. It's not too much, but it's there and it's awesome. Okay. Ciao, my beautiful friends. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Das ist jetzt die Verkostung von Coppenrath&Wiese, der Bananen-Schoko-Torte. Ja, das hier mit dem sogenannten Piñata-Effekt. Naja, ich weiß nicht. Also das ist irgendwie nicht so cool. Vielleicht, wenn man es den Kindern nicht sagt, dass da noch kleine Smarties drin sind, dann freuen die sich vielleicht oder so, keine Ahnung. Aber was hier sehr schön an diesem Kuchen ist der Bananengeschmack. Das erinnert mich an so ein Eis. Ich hatte mal so ein Bananeneis zum Abpellen. Und ja, also Banane, Schoko ist ja sowieso eine super Kombination. Ich habe den natürlich jetzt ordentlich zerstört hier für die Review. Ja, kann man super snacken. Ja. Ja. Und drin ist halt schön weich und alles, ne? Ich glaube, hier diese Creme schmeckt auch nach Banane. Oder ist das nur die Hülle, die nach Banane schmeckt? Wie dem auch sei, das war die Folge. Vergesst nicht abzustimmen. Entweder das hier, wie da Unicorn Rolls oder Haribo Goldbeeren. Einfach einen Kommentar liken. Leider, als ich ihn angeschnitten habe, war das Mikrofon leider aus. Das habe ich dann erst später gemerkt. Ja gut, danke fürs Zusehen und bis zum nächsten Mal.